How to scan Holafly QR code. Note that doing this a couple of hours before the beginning of your trip. Make sure your device is updated to iOS 17.4 or the latest version. Make sure not to interrupt the installation process. The eSIM is identified as Holafly. Your device may assign a different name to it like personal, secondary, or business. Activate your eSIM automatically with a QR code scan. After purchasing your eSIM, you'll receive a message either by email or WhatsApp with all the information you need to start the setup process. First, go to your iPhone settings. Tap Cellular and then add eSIM. Once in the Cellular Data Options screen, press Use QR Code. Here is where you scan the QR code from another device. When you see the Activate eSIM screen, press Continue. The installation will start automatically. That's it. Thanks for watching.